from gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and it's that time of year again. I'm at the Bloom Festival in the Phoenix Park here in Dublin with my beautiful daughter Ishtar, and well, we'll be looking at some foodie stuff as well as plants this year, isn't that right?
For sure.
All right, let's have a look at all the plants and all the show gardens and a little bit of the food. Isn't that right, Ishtar?
More than a little bit, I think. But yeah.
So Ishtar, what are your observations so far?
We were just looking at in the Kells Bay garden, like these gorgeous ferns, and then I was drawn to these ladybird poppies over here. I was thinking it's kind of like if we were at some like fancy wine bar or something. This side is like, you know, the aged Cabernet and oak barrels, and that's what Mum's drawn to. And then this is like the kids' alcohol-free fizzy pop type thing that I'm obviously drawn to.
Oh dear.
Like the pink one, the peony, bowl of beauty.
I have that in the garden, you know.
Do you?
I do.
1 million cactus and other beauties, including garden beauties.
Yeah, a bit of everything. So please do check out their channels and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So lovely to see Rachel again here. Fantastic. Brilliant. Oh, wow.
Chocolate balls.
They're so good.
Vegan chocolate, delicious.
So nice. There's loads of
These
options
are
in there.
amazing. Show us there.
Aren't they so good?
Oh my golly, look at that.
That's by...
Flavor.
Oh, I don't know who that's by.
Really? Wow.
And what have you there, Ishtar?
I'm foxglove.
Excellent. And you see lots of people buying big flowering foxgloves.
Do you know what happens to them after they flower?
Tell me.
They die.
No. Will you be buying one?
I will not.
Good girl. My daughter.